morning. I'm Barbara Muckerman. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Silversea Cruises, and today I have the privilege to welcoming you to the Silver Origin. This is definitely one of the most beautiful ships I've ever seen. So let's go and explore it together. This is the first thing that our guests will see when they arrive on the Silver Origin. It will be the beautiful Marina. As you know, the Galapagos is the only destination where the ship never touches port. So it's incredibly important for our guests to be able to jump on and off the Zodiacs in incredible comfort. And this is for Silversea unique. This is where they will start every exploration and they will arrive on the first day. Wow. This is base camp, and I have to say that even without art and furniture, it is absolutely amazing. And this is, you know, the base camp, the center of base camp is this amazing interactive screen. I think it's surely the largest interactive screen in the Galapagos, and probably is the largest in the whole of Ecuador. What's amazing about this screen is that the Silversea team put together bespoke content on the whole destinations, and it will be an amazing enrichment for all of our guests to be able to learn so much about the islands and their incredible secrets by playing with this unique screen.